Welcome, fellow gardeners, to the wonderful world of growing your own sweet potatoes. You might think cultivating these tubers is complicated, but it's quite straightforward. With sunshine, good earth, and gentle care, you can look forward to a delightful harvest. Sweet potato slips are young shoots from a mature sweet potato. These slips are the starting point for your sweet potato patch. Each slip can develop into a new plant, producing several sweet potatoes. From one sweet potato, you can cultivate numerous slips and gather a rewarding harvest. Using slips ensures new plants inherit the strong characteristics of the parent potato. Some gardeners buy slips, but growing your own is economical and satisfying. Let's explore how you can achieve this. Growing your own sweet potato slips is a delightful process. Start with a healthy, organic sweet potato. Place the potato in a shallow dish with water or cut it in half and suspend it in water. Keep the water fresh and place the potato in a warm, bright location. After a few weeks, roots and leafy shoots will appear. Once slips are 4-6 inches long, twist them off the potato. Place slips in water to develop their own roots. In about a week or two, new roots will form. This process is fascinating and rewarding. Let's move on to preparing the garden. While slips develop roots, prepare the garden. Sweet potatoes need 6-8 hours of sunlight daily. Choose a sunny spot with well-drained, warm soil. Improve heavy clay soil with organic matter. Raised beds or containers are great alternatives. Create ridges or mounds for better drainage and soil warmth. This preparation ensures a generous harvest. Once the danger of frost has passed and soil is warm, plant your slips. Make planting holes 6 inches deep and 12-18 inches apart. Place slips in holes, covering roots and lower stem with soil. Firm the soil around slips and water thoroughly. Keep soil moist but not waterlogged during the initial establishment period. Protect young plants from unexpected cold snaps. Avoid excessive nitrogen-rich fertilizer early on. Focus on establishing a strong root system. Balanced organic feed or compost is sufficient. Your slips are now ready to grow. As plants grow, they will send out long vines. Allow vines to cover the ground or guide them if space is limited. Keep the area weed-free and use organic mulch to retain moisture. Provide about an inch of water per week. Deep watering encourages strong root growth. Watch for pretty trumpet-shaped flowers. Monitor for pests and diseases, though sweet potatoes are resilient. The growing season lasts 90-120 days. As autumn approaches, leaves will yellow, signaling tuber maturity. Harvest before the first frost for the best results.